Welcome to the Changedom experience. This is Reginal here. So I created something that feels like Valentine's. I created something that stands out, that's clean cut and it's red. And to me, nothing stands out more than a red shirt or a red design on a shirt. Especially for Valentine's Day, I'm gonna take my time and break it down on what the design looks like, how we're gonna cut it out, and how it gets onto how it's transferred onto the shirt. So first and foremost, let me go ahead and show you the design and how this works out. So this is one of my designs that I created, of course. And when we're ready, we're gonna go ahead and send it to the Cameo 3. Once we press the send button, we're just going to go ahead and send as is, because it's already been horizontally inverted, so that it can go onto the shirt correctly. Now, send as is. So, while this is getting cut, right, we're going to go ahead and turn on our heat press. And so it's going to heat up to 320 degrees. Just to get the moisture out, I'm going to give about 5 seconds. 5 seconds only. We're going to let us 5 seconds go by right fast. Get that up. Perfect. Just want to get the moisture out so we can have a great press. Check that out. Look like it's, fresh for the Monty. For the new day. Oh yeah. Now for the next shirt, to get the moisture out. Only on the place where of course, where the design is going. So that's what we're aiming for. Right. Heat transfer sheet. Make sure we don't burn our fabric. This is hot, very hot. 320 degrees, y'all. So let's turn it down one time and give it 5 seconds. Alright, that's all we really need, y'all. Just 5 seconds real quick to get the moisture out of the soap pan. Place this right here for us. Okay, now, the design is still cutting out, great. So some other tools that I use, that we will be using to make sure the design is cut out. And we're going to be using our X-Acto knife and a pulling hook. I'm going to turn this off for now. So it says here is where let's see. Okay, so we have 10 more minutes. Let's be cut. So it's cutting beautifully. Okay, great. So the Silhouette Cameo 3 is already cut out the design. We're good. Golden. We're gonna unload the design. Let's take a look at it. The parts with more detail. I'll have to take my time, of course. Okay, so it sounds like our heat press is ready. Our designs are almost ready. I'm gonna finish cutting them out. As you can see, this is the first one that's gonna go on. Let's measuring this, our design, again, our design is 5 inches across the chest. This is a 12-inch chest. So what we're going to do is go ahead and measure it out and see that we have we need 3 inches on each side in order for the, so here we go. Alright, this is the hot peel design, so all I have to do is take it and put it right off of the shirt. And the shirt, it's ready. So we're going to go ahead and put the heat press down and set the timer, 15 seconds. Alright, 15 seconds almost up now. And here we go. This is for my bestie. So we're gonna go ahead and do the black shirt. The design has already been measured and placed. We're gonna use our heat transfer sheet to make sure the shirt doesn't get burned and the design goes onto the shirt. So now, for the magic, to 320 degrees, we're gonna go ahead and press the shirt. All right, cool, check it out, it sounds good. That sounds like it's ready to be pressed. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it down for the full 15 seconds. And the time begins. Thanks for stopping in for the Changedom experience. This is really exciting for me. Let's go ahead and look at our design. Let's see how it came out on the black shirt. Oh yeah, first we're gonna go ahead and pull off the plastic. Oh yes, very nice. We're gonna pull the plastic off, of course. Clean as we're going, and then we're gonna give it another press for the 15 seconds. We're gonna have to press the button. Oh, it's gotten hot in here. Oh, there it is, there it is. Okay, let's try it again. And go. 15 seconds. All right, here we go. All right, and up. Let's see what the fin design looks like. There's a deep press. Yes, yes. All right. There you go. Here we are. It's the black eggshell. Vibing. I hope the love is vibing. Me and my son's shirt. I wanted to make this shirt and see that me and my son have something that we both are vibing on for a large, ladies. This is a large ladies shirt, vibing for the Valentine's Day. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and hook it up. Same kind of process, different design. Let me go ahead and show you the design that we're working with for the ladies. Now, so this is gonna be the ladies' design. Okay, it's gonna be going onto a black V-neck large shirt, especially and only for the ladies. Okay, and on this black shirt, we're going to be using pink. Okay, it's like a hot pink. It's a good look. I like it. So again, we're going to go ahead and load it into the machine. All right, I'm sure it's almost done there. Design's almost finished cut here. So we're going to go ahead and turn on the heat press and get it ready for the press, because it has to turn up to its full functionality, 320 degrees for this particular press, and it takes a little bit of time. So in the meantime, as this is getting finished, we're going to get ready to cut and weed all the negative out so we can see the created design for the ladies. And as this heats up, we can go ahead and get the moisture pressed out of the lady's shirt. Let's see which one finishes first. We'll heat press, heat up to 320 degrees before the design is cut, or will the design be ready to be weeded out and placed on the shirt? Before we begin, it's a tie. It's a tie. It's crazy. Without a word. All right, so we're not ready for the heat press, but what we are ready to do with the heat press is go ahead and get the moisture out of the shirt, okay? And we're gonna unload our design at the same time. All right, so now that our design is unloaded, okay, and our heat press is ready, go ahead and set it great. So 322 degrees. Let's just give it 5 seconds. We'll just get the moisture out of the shirt. Okay, this is for the female shirt. Again, this is going to be pink design. All right, 5 seconds is plenty and good enough time for me. All right, so let's go ahead and start the weeding process. I like to start from the corner. All right. And try to get an even peel. Corner to corner. All right. That way I can go ahead and peel it back equally. Alright, gonna take my time with this one, ladies. There we are, ladies. Now that our design has been placed and measured and placed onto the shirt, we're going to go ahead and transfer. All right, now it's at 320 degrees. It's down 15 seconds. All right. Once it gets to 15 seconds, of course, we're going to release the press, and the heat should have transferred the vinyl onto the shirt. All right, let's see what we got. Let's go ahead and set the timer again. And we're going to go ahead and pull this off the hot peel so everything should stay on the shirt as it is, beautifully. Now, we're going to go ahead and look to make another press. Oh. Now we're going to make another press. At 15 seconds. Beautifully. Beautifully, beautifully. All right. Turn off our heat press. Stop again. With our material, our utensils and material has already been put away. Oh, I got one more shirt on the girl's shirt. On the ladies' shirt, here's our design for the ladies. Okay. Hope you love it. Valentine's Day vibes.